Right, so now the vehicle's all dried, it's all washed, it's all dried, it's all cleaned. We've polished the glass as well, thanks for a nifty little trick we've seen on our friend's video. If you enjoy watching our videos, you quite possibly like watching his as well. His name's Jay, it's OCD Details up in Lincoln. I will leave his link in the description box down below. Go and check him out. Obviously we all do things slightly differently as long as we end up with the same results. And that's all that matters, as long as it's all done with care and professionalism, then that's fine. We're skipping on to the next bit anyway. I'm going to get the blower out. I'm going to blow all the rubbers and all the little gaps and bits out. And then we'll get this all masked up, ready for polishing. Right, so now I've peeled all the masking tape off of this, we are now ready to go in with the Wax is Dead Cleaner, which is an alcohol-based product. I'll give it a wipe over and then we're all good and ready for coatings. So this vehicle's having the 18-month ceramic coating, and we're doing the glass upgrade on this as well.